usually around this time of year my hair goes a bit more frizzy, but it's all around sort of like minimizing that and protecting my hair because I bleach it. And
I know, like look at my hair, like we are both like bleached
Yeah.
hair and it's very damaging to your hair. So what do you use to protect your hair?
So I just spritz this before straightening or curling my hair. And it just keeps it protected. And then before applying heat, I just make sure I've got a good brush to sort of help me work the straighteners or the curler through. These ones in particular are great because
Where are they from?
they're the new GHD Chronos.
Oh,
and
nice.
basically it reduces frizz by 2%. The curved plates make them perfect for like curling, straightening, and they just glide through the hair so lovely. So again, in that way, it sort of prevents any breakage. I love a hair oil, so I apply this on damp hair, but also it's great for like post-treatment, on dry hair as well, just to keep it sort of lustrous, healthy looking. And just, what do you use for?
Oh, I swear by using K18, the molecular repair hair mask. So I've been using this consecutively for 6 washes now, and this is what they recommend you to use. So what it does is deeply repair your hair bonds, and it really makes your hair very much resistant to breakage.
That
And
elasticity.
elasticity,
Yeah.
which is really important, and you don't really get that. So how you use this is that after you wash your hair, you don't apply any conditioner. You apply this on towel dry hair, leave it on for 4 minutes because it will take 4 minutes to penetrate down to the core of the hair for it to actually work. And after 4 minutes, you can apply your hair oil or anything else that you like.
And just style and dry
And
and
just style
usual.
and dry. And another thing that I really do take care of is my scalp, because I think the trend now is the trend in hair care is to take the concept of skincare and move it to your scalp, because your scalp is also part of your skin as well.
Yeah.
So the one I really like is the Scalp Solutions Overnight Scalp Renewal Serum from Aveda. So I use this every night to keep my scalp balanced and healthy.
Without blow drying and actually using a tool for blow drying, with my hair it tends to like fall quite flat when I use like an iron or a curler as opposed to a blow drying brush. So I found like a texture spray or a volume spray is great for
So which
adding that.
one do you use?
So this Bumble and Bumble Thickening Dry Spun Texture Spray is a really light texture. Simply just like spritz it into the roots and the ends, and it just kind of gives that sort of tussled
Soft,
texture,
volume,
and a bit more volume.
The change of weather, the one thing that I would change first is my moisturizer, and I've been using the Sisley Ecological Compound. It's a lightweight moisturizer that leaves a matte finish towards your face, so it's very suitable for summertime, and it smells lovely as well. But besides that, the ingredients inside, it helps to repair, it helps to soothe, it helps to balance your skin, and it helps to give you a very good barrier protection as well. There's another thing that I really like, because like you say, the glow, when during summer you want to have the glow. So this new primer from Shiseido Revitalizing Skin Glow Primer, it has SPF 25 PA++. It's a very good base, and it leaves a very nice sheen towards your hand, your face, and it helps to keep the makeup in place as well while providing skincare benefits. So sometimes if you're lazy, you're not going out, or you're just like having a walk around the park, you just put this on, you have like a filtered face, and glow refresh summer look as well. So another thing that I really take care about is the eye area, because you know, we laugh, we cry, we have a lot of expression, so the eye is something that we really need to take care of. So one thing that I discovered lately that I've been trying is the Skin Carrier Eye Lift from La Prairie. This one really helps to brighten my eyes area and give like a lift towards it, so I don't look so tired. And you can just use this day and night in conjunction with your eye cream. So use this before eye cream. It's kind of like eye serum to give it like an extra boost.
Amazing. And does it sort of depuff the eyes?
Yes, it depuff, it lifts, it kind of like helps to diminish the fine lines and wrinkles that you have. And the texture is so lightweight with the technology that La Prairie have, the Skin Caviar. It really shows a difference with just few weeks of using it.
Amazing.